This time, in looking at how to build 3D printed models, we're looking at how to scratch build additional details. These examples from the Newman miniatures range. Here we have axle boxes as the first starting point for the tender. These are made using styrene sheet, such as that you can see at the moment. These are attached to the tender over the holes for the axle pins and are quite simply added. Now, I'm not using glue at this stage, but quite simply they just drop into position like so. You can use a very fine drill bit to drill out behind, but it is very simple. Now, when turning to the coupling, here we have, the key thing is to drill out the hole. The material is quite soft and there is a locating mark, so it doesn't take very long at all, but the important thing is to be very careful. This is a soft but relatively brittle material. Now, that gives you a loose idea. Similarly, the main coupling has to be drilled out as well. In the case of the locomotive to tender, there's just a small pin which needs to be attached in just like so. Very simple. On the locomotive, the hole is already drilled out in some cases. Other ones, sometimes it needs drilling as well. But a simple loop just slots in, and that is it. The safety valve involves some electrical wiring. As you can see here, it's already been stripped out because we want the plastic sheathing, and a piece of staple. Now, this has been pre-bent into the appropriate shape. That will slot into place on the top of the boiler. Cutting a little bit of the insulation, you can slide it onto the end, which creates the main supports and the spring, as you can see on this one, which I built earlier. And simply it just gets glued into place. Obviously it's a bit crooked at the moment because there's no glue, but that is all that's needed. And again, these models are designed to have only very simple levels of scratch building needed. Anyone can do these, simply a case of practice and a little bit of patience. Lastly, there are axle box tie bars. Now, I'm going to apply these after painting because they're fragile, but are easily applied using plastic strip, just like this. Now, I hope this was of interest, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you then.